Hello everyone. This video is about all the new features that we have implemented in 2023 Q1 and Q2. First item is send schedule as a push notification. If you go to push notification now, you actually have two options. One is you send as a regular notification that you're already familiar with. The other one is you can send everyone's schedule for a particular day. And when the user receives the message, it will be something similar like this. They say this is your schedule for October 6th. And then everyone sees the same notification, but then the content will be different. It will list the ones that this particular user has put into their calendar for that day. And then of course they can also from this, so usually you would do that in the morning of that day, send it out, and if they want to see the whole day schedule, they can still see the whole day schedule there within the same notification alert. Second item is the scan attending enhancements. As you know, we have a scan module that you actually can scan each other. From the My QR code, you can launch the scan and then scan the QR code with each other. And what we have added in the setting here, so a lot of the clients says their attendee do not want to show their email address in the attendee list, which will be fine. But then when they scan each other, they are indirectly giving permission, right, to share the contact info for the person who wants to scan their badge or their QR code inside the app. So now in the scan setting here, we have added in scan and export email address. So if you check it here, even the attendee says, don't show my email in the attendee list. But then when someone uses the scan module to scan this attendee, this person's email address will be exposed in the scan feature. The next one is analytics dashboard and enhancements. So if you go to MCM, now we'll have a new analytics dashboard. We're going to gradually deprecate the current analytics module where this gives you a lot of more information, a lot more data capture points where you can see all the downloads information. You can actually see the modules, which one has the most visits, and inside each session you can actually see what session has how many visits. But if you even go there, it can tell you who actually visit this particular session. And then if you really go to the session, you can actually go to see documents. It actually tells you the documents, how many people have actually downloaded the documents, the exhibitor, the speakers, the whole 9 yards. And also you can look at the things about a particular user, about what their schedules are, how many documents they have downloaded and their visits and such. So they are all in this new analytics dashboard, and we will continue to enhance that feature. Another thing, exhibitor bingo card, and now you'll be able to set up the exhibitors about if they want to participate. And what it does is inside the app, you will have this module, and then you can call it, gamification or passport or bingo card. When you come in here, it will list all the exhibitors that they participate, and then attendees can actually go to this module and click on scan. It will launch the camera, and then it will scan the QR code of your exhibitors. And from there, it will complete the list of that particular exhibitor. And so basically what you'll do, there's a video about those features, so you can actually watch that in more detail about how you and then how you utilize that. And then you can go to event reports to actually look at the ones who scanned the bingo cards, and then you can find the ones they have completed. You can download the data and then do whatever you need to do, and maybe do a drawing. The next one is document center enabled in the digital platform. If you have enabled purchase the digital website, the digital platform, and then now you can have document center that is available in the app. Now is also available in the digital version here as well. The next thing is we launched the event website. So actually, with the same data that you actually populate in the MCM database, do you know you can actually use the same content to create a public-facing website? So you can actually see you have a hero section, image here, countdown. You have some menu here, and then you can look at all the exhibitors, sessions and sponsors, and inside the MCM, you have a module where you can design each individual section about where the data comes from and all that. So you can do coming from the list or create an HTML content. We'll continue as we grow to add more CMS functionality into the event website. Another thing is Android app prominent disclosure to stay compliant with Android in the Google Play Store. Now, when you launch the Android app, you will be asked about privacy policy, and then you need to agree. So that has been required by by Google. Another one is you can configure the rotating banner at the bottom of the app when they rotate, and each record can have different number of seconds. By default, it's 4 seconds. We will expose MCM to allow you to put in that value, but default is 4 right now. So we're gonna have that field exposed inside MCM for you to set. There will be another video shortly for the roadmap items for Q3 and Q4. And at that moment, you'll actually see what will be coming. Thank you so much. Have a good day.